Welcome to another Lightboard Wednesday. Today we're going to talk about partnering and how to put empathy for your potential partner to work for you so that you can have the best possible results. But first, a quick kind of recap through the medical device innovation process that we've been tackling step by step in these Lightboard Wednesday videos. The first thing that you want to do is focus on the problem, not the solution. Once you've developed deep empathy and understanding for the problem and the different constraints of stakeholders, articulate the ideal solution. Once you've done that, then you can home in on your proposed solution. Along the way, you may be prototyping and so forth, but resist the urge to fall in love with your idea too soon and to head down the wrong track. Once you get into developing your proposed solution and you understand clearly that it responds to the ideal solution and the needs of your stakeholders, your customers, clinicians will embrace it. It's good for patients. There's a regulatory path. There's a clear line of sight to reimbursement. The IP landscape looks good. Once you've tested those things out, then you want to move fast. That's when you want to go as fast as you can towards the target you've identified. Using a rapid innovation process, design, build, and test, shortening your innovation loops, putting more things in parallel, and embracing an idea of continuous learning. All things that have been the subject of Lightboard Wednesday videos. No startup can do it all on their own. You want to be strategic about how you partner. And the first step to that is in developing a strategy just to consider the technology needs that you have in your device or procedure that you're developing, and also your needs as a team in developing capabilities in the design, build, and test process of your rapid innovation framework. Once you do that, classify them into three groups. Technology needs that you must own, where you can partner and where you should partner, and also things that are okay to buy, either off the shelf or custom from a supplier. Again, we've covered this in prior Lightboard Wednesday videos, and I also have a series of articles in Med Device Online that covers these topics. Now that you've decided where you want to partner, let's talk about how you engage with the potential partners. And take, for example, hiring a contract R&D house. One thing that you should realize as you put yourself in the shoes of a contract R&D partner is that they receive many requests from early stage startups to prepare a proposal so that a potential client can use it for deciding who to work with and also for fundraising. A good proposal will take your partner extensive time and energy to prepare. So the first thing that you want to do is only solicit a proposal from a short list of folks that you think are a good potential match. Second, create a very well structured request for proposal. This request for proposal will give a little background on your company, identify why this partner is a good match, and really outline the scope of work that you're looking for, the phases that you see the project coming, and so forth. It's not just a matter of emailing a request for proposal and having the relationship magically formed. You need to communicate and represent yourself professionally throughout the process so that the potential partner understands you will be a good, if not ideal, candidate for them to work with. If all of these things come together, what you could expect then is a budgetary proposal. Estimates on the time and money that it will take, a very good understanding of the capabilities of the partner and how they will structure the work, how they'll interact and communicate with you so that you can make good decisions about who your partner would be and you can use them in your fundraising process. Now, I call it a budgetary estimate, a budgetary proposal. Often your partner might call it a rough order of magnitude proposal, or ROM. The specific terminology doesn't matter. What matters is that you're getting a very good idea or a yardstick upon which you can base decisions on how your future development will go. It's not a contractually binding estimate. That will come later when you raise the money that you need as you get closer through the design and development process to clearly articulating what the project scope of work will be and so on. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this informative.